Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Are you tired of accidentally opening voice control while pressing and holding down the side or home button on your iPhone? If so, it's easy to turn off the feature and make the button do nothing. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off voice control on iPhone. To take off voice control, open the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings app, find and tap on Accessibility. If you do not see this option, tap on General and then select Accessibility. The accessibility screen offers different options depending on whether your iPhone has a home button or not. If your iPhone does not have a home button, then tap the side button option. If your iPhone does offer a physical home button, tap the home button option. On the screen that opens, in the press and hold to speak sections, select Off option. This stops voice control from launching when you press and hold down the home or side button. You will no longer be bothered by that unwanted functions. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.